looks like DJI isn't slowing down. The sequel to the DJI Neo is already on the horizon, and it's called the DJI Neo 2. This little guy first showed up in FCC filings a few months back, and if you know DJI, that usually means something new is around the corner. Some people think we'll see it by late 2025, but since a few details are still redacted until 2026, the actual launch timing is a bit of a mystery. Either way, it feels like it's only a matter of time. Now, on to the fun part, the rumored specs. The Neo 2 is said to weigh around 135 grams, even if it ends up being a bit heavier. It should still stay under that 250 gram limit, so no headaches with regulations. But DJI didn't just keep the weight the same, they've actually squeezed in a bigger battery this time, jumping from the original 1435 milliamp hours to around 1606 milliamp hours. Doesn't sound like a big deal on paper, but in drone terms, that's a chunk of extra juice. The camera is where things really heat up. The Neo 2 is rumored to ditch the older half-inch sensor for a 1/1.3-inch sensor. That's a big leap for something this tiny. With that upgrade, 4K at 60 frames per second seems almost guaranteed, and some whispers even suggest higher frame rates might be on the table. For vloggers and creators, that's going to mean smoother, cleaner footage, especially if HDR recording is in play. Safety also gets an upgrade. Remember those simple single-ring guards on the first Neo? This time, DJI is expected to give the Neo 2 full coverage double-layered propeller shields. Way friendlier for beginners and honestly just peace of mind for anyone worried about trees, walls, or their fingers. Other rumored tweaks include stronger GPS locking, smarter subject tracking, more polished QuickShots, and maybe even DJI's latest transmission system for a more reliable connection. Voice control is reportedly sticking around too, which is a nice touch when you'd rather shout at your drone than fumble with your phone. Storage though might stay the same at 22 gigs. So yeah, if DJI really delivers on the bigger battery, sharper camera, and safer design, the Neo 2 could be one of the most fun little drones to toss in your bag for travel or casual shooting. But here's the question. What would actually make you upgrade from the original Neo? Longer flight time, a better camera, or just those beefier prop guards for peace of mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to stick around by hitting subscribe. That way you'll know the moment new leaks appear. Peace.